I am Priyanti and you are watching Glowing Vibes. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I will share some DIY for pigmentation. I know that now this pigmentation is a big problem for so many people. Like this area, mouth area pigmentation or this area pigmentation or forehead pigmentation. बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है, आई नो. And one more thing, I saw so many videos like these home remedies reduce your pigmentation within 1 day, within 2 days. But believe me, it's not possible. It's not possible that any home remedies will reduce your pigmentation within 1 day. So you have to use at least 7 to 10 days. So today I will share 3 face pack, DIY face pack which will reduce your pigmentation. सो ये था मेरे आज का वीडियो. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड प्लीज़ लाइक कमेंट शेयर. बाय बाय.